In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and sell Google Sheets templates online vertical bar. Selling digital product spreadsheets online. To begin, open Google Sheets and go to your template file. For this walkthrough, assume you have already created a sellable spreadsheet template with clean formatting, clear labels, and any formulas already tested. Before you share it, do a quick final check that there is no personal information inside the sheet, like your name, private notes, or anything you would not want a buyer to see. Next, click the Share button in the top right of Google Sheets. In the sharing window, click the area that is highlighted for link settings. Then click it again to open the access options. Now select Restricted. This is important because you do not want people editing your original file. You want them to access it through the proper delivery method after purchase. With Restricted selected, click Copy Link. This gives you a link you can provide as part of your digital product delivery. Now switch over to Gumroad. From your dashboard, click Products. Then click New Product. Choose Digital Product. This is the correct option for selling downloadable or access-based files like spreadsheets and templates. On the Product Setup page, click the currency drop-down that shows dollars, then set your price. After that, type in the highlighted fields for your product name and your product description. Keep your title clear and specific, and in the description, explain what the template helps the buyer do, what is included, and any simple usage notes, so customers know exactly what they are buying. When you are ready, click Next, Customize. On the Edit page, click into the highlighted areas to adjust your product page details. Then click the product URL field and set a clean, readable link for your product. Next, click Cover to add a cover image and click Thumbnail to add a thumbnail. Use simple visuals that match the spreadsheet style and make the product easy to recognize at a glance. Then click Content and review what the buyer will receive. After that, click Receipt. Then click Share to review how your product will be shared and accessed after purchase. Finally, click Publish and continue to make your product live and ready to sell. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.